So now welcome back to everyone again in this channel. Today we will learn some basic common mistake had in our daily use English language. What the common mistake? Today we will learn. We will tell please return my money. Then you just okay return me वापस and the bag पीछे. That bag is wrong. That's you call them please return my money. This is a right sentence. Bag is wrong. And the next, could you repeat that again? This is a in sentence. The mistake is again. Don't use again. Repeat means dobara and the again means dobara. But use not the again. Use the repeat. This sentence is right. Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? Friend, please. Could you repeat that? This sentence is right. Again, don't use again. Next, no place is more better than home. Here the problem, no place is more better. Then we have no place is better than more. Here we are use the than. Do not use the more. Do not use the more. Use the than and the better. This is the right sentence. No place is better than home. More is not used. Here this sentence is correct. And next, it was a blunder. It was a blunder, mistake. Blunder means a mistake. Let's do not use for compulsory as mistake. Mistake is not used. It was a blunder. It was very blunder. This is the right sentence. Next, the fish aquarium is very large. This is the name of part of the fish, but we are not using the fish. The fish is wrong. Aquarium is very large. The aquarium is very large. So aquarium मछली है बहुत ही large है. This is the right sentence. He is my cousin brother. Here two topics. Cousin can call the brother. So do not use the brother. Do not use the brother. Here use the he is my cousin. That simple okay. He is my cousin. He is my cousin. This is a right sentence. She is my real sister. Real means hakikat. That's not necessarily like you are used the real. Real is not used. This word is not used. This is wrong. She is my sister. This is the right sentence. She is my sister. And next, students, I don't know nothing. Here is don't mean no and nothing means kuch nahi. So I don't know nothing. The place we have used the everything or the anything. Anything. I don't know anything. You don't call them I don't know nothing. What is it? The meaning is that I don't know anything. So now, friends and everyone, today we are learning some common mistake that in your daily life you use. If all of you want to do more videos like this, then follow us and hit the red button to subscribe our channel at @MOHD Ashraf. So now thank you so much all of you. Now next video is coming.